Hello friends, we are back with another video, and here we will be going to show you a short tutorial about how you can get the dark mode on Google Chrome. So basically your Google Chrome needs to be updated to the latest version. So just go on Play Store and update. After updating, you can see I'm on my Chrome page, and here you need to click on these three dots. This is also known as option dots, and once you click on options, there will be many settings. You need to click on this setting tab that I am holding now. Just click on settings, and from now here starts everything. You want to get dark mode, here you are, you can get the dark mode. Just click, all you need to do is to scroll and click on the themes, and here I have light mode, and default mode is light. It says system default, but it's not. Light is the latest default, so just change it to dark, and there you go. Here's everything you needed. So you can see here's, this is dark, this is dark. And if you don't believe me, let me take you on a site. Just go here, bit.ly, and here you can see the interface is dark, everything is dark. So go check out this, and hope you like this video.